Hey, my name is Philip Lopez, and welcome to my VidEngagr review. Now, VidEngagr is a software product. It's a software as a service that you can use to either use it to get other people's videos and make money and generate leads with them, or you can also use it just with your own YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, or your own MP4s. Okay, so that's really what it is, guys. It's a cloud-based software that you can use to start doing this. Now, let me go ahead and show you what the members area looks like real quick, guys. I'm going to share my screen here so I can take a look. I actually got access to this. I want to show y'all how powerful this can be. So this, let me see. This is VidEngagr. Sorry about that. This is VidEngagr. Here is the dashboard. It's a very simple product. Very, very simple in the fact that it let me hide this. It's really easy to use. Okay, this is really simple to use. Okay, the thing about this product is that you're gonna. This is what the dashboard looks like. Okay, very, very simple or whatever. But I want to show y'all the sales page. Let's see what kind of stuff it says it can do. All right. By the way, if you're in here, if you say hi or just comment below if you have any questions or anything like that, I'd appreciate that. Oops, sorry, took away the screen. So let me go ahead and show you this. Okay, guys. So this is the sales page. All right. Now, VidEngagr, blah blah blah. It says, "See the next generation in affiliate marketing technology." It's a 3-step system where you can use other people's videos and products, to make whatever. This stuff I take it with a grain of salt, guys. I'm just being honest. It's supposed to be simple, newbie friendly. That it is, guys. I will say that. You can borrow other people's videos, and there's 3 easy steps to follow. Nothing to install. It is a cloud-based app, so that's what I think is kind of cool. All right. You have 3 minutes to engage your blah blah blah. Basically saying, check this out, guys. All right. This is compatible with just about anything that accepts iframes. That's really what this is going to be using. You're just going to be creating some engaging videos, and you're going to be using iframes. Okay, so if you can't use iframes, this is not gonna work for you. But that means that it can work with WordPress, Optimized Press, ClickFunnels, and pretty much anything that can use iframes. Okay, so that's really what's the powerful thing about this is that it's not limited to just WordPress. A lot of plugins come out and they're only for WordPress. They're not for other things. Okay. Now, if you look down here further here, let's see. Here's VidEngagr. What's it called? I'm going to tell y'all what I think are some of the great things about it and what are some of the things that it kind of lacks on, just to be completely honest about it, guys. So it's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and or whatever. But I'm going to be showing y'all that I'm going to be using a buddy of mine's video for this. Okay, so I have a buddy named Demetrius the Pop who made a video, and I want to kind of show you how I'm going to start making money with his video. I even asked him if it was okay, just to make sure. So basically, you just have to create a campaign, finding your own video from YouTube, Vimeo, or upload your own MP4. You can add in descriptions, links, and select player settings as thumbnails. That's what's cool. It does have some built-in thumbnails and icons, and you can save your campaigns, grab the iframe code, paste it on your site. Okay, so another reason I think this is cool, guys, is that you can actually use this with other stuff. Like there's something that came out recently called Chromie Code, where you can actually use iframes to start and turn that into a whole Chrome extension, which I think is pretty cool. All right. So once you start thinking about the compatibility, it's really, 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 the sky's the limit. I'm not even that techie, but there's a lot of things you can do with this. So let's go ahead and go over here to VidEngagr, and let's see what this looks like. Okay. So I made a little something earlier. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's see. I made this a little bit earlier. And let me just show you kind of like a preview of what it looks like. And then we're going to create one on our own. Okay. So I did something about, and this is what I think it would be powerful for, guys, is it's actually saying blank versus blank. So let's say you had ClickFunnels versus Builderall, or Thrive Content Builder versus Optimized Press, or something like that. You can have a thumbnail back here. Then you have a cool little play icon. You can have this text at the bottom, and as you can see, you can add a little bit more right here. And then you just click start watching, and then this is where the magic happens, right? Now, I actually messed up. I erased what I had here. You can actually create what's called frames, okay? So you can create frames. So like right there when I pushed that, I could have been able to put an affiliate link right here. Let me show you how that looks like, because I just kind of messed up on this the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and just create a new one, all right? So let's go ahead and close this up. Let's create a new post, and we're going to call it VidEngagr Review, okay? Let's create that. I'm just here in my WordPress site. That's what I'm using, guys. So let's create VidEngagr Review. All right, so let's go ahead and publish that. I didn't mean to publish. I should have saved it, but no biggie. Anyways, guys, what I really want to do is I just want to go in here and just create the post. Now I'm going to go back here to VidEngagr, and show you how to do this. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create a campaign. Let's just copy and paste this. Come back over here to VidEngagr. Now I already made that one. Let's add a new campaign. Call it VidEngagr. We're gonna steal a video from my buddy Demetrius the Papa, who made a great video. He made a great review video, and I actually asked him if it was cool, and he said it was cool. So what you're gonna be taking is this code right here. This is like I forget if it's 13 or 11. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 digits or whatever you want to call it. We're gonna steal that code right there. Come back to VidEngagr, paste that in here. Now we can either have it show player control, so that's going to be basically people can fast forward or stop it and all that good stuff. They can stop it, but they usually can't go back and forth. I would say show player controls because you want people to interact with your video. Just up to you whether you want it to autoplay. We'll put it to autoplay just for this one. Now here you can actually choose a thumbnail image. They have some in stock right here. So let's say I just wanted to use a kitten. All right. Looks like they might. Oh, looks like they do. All right, so they got some cute kittens here. Let's just use one right now. All right. All right, so now we have a kitten. All right, so you can actually upload your own too. I think you can do that. I'm not sure, guys. I actually got access to more than the front end. Right here, the front end only includes campaign settings, player settings, and then iframes, okay? This advertising and delayed content is actually a pro feature, so you will have to pay extra for that. And I'll tell you about how much that is. But I'm just showing you the front end version, guys, which is actually $36.95 or so, but I do have a $10 coupon for anybody that goes through my link. If you look in the description below, you will see that coupon code. All right, so I put in that. Let's say that I wanted to put, okay, so now we have VidEngagr review. Let's go ahead. Would just make it informal here. Wanna make money, wanna get leads and make sales. Exactly what I'm doing here. Type and talk. Hit continue to start. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and make this let's make this italic. We can even make this bold. Let's just make it bold. But let's say that we wanted to, it's actually going to have VidEngagr review on top. Okay, guys. So let's just put the word continue here. People will have to hit continue. Let's proceed. All right. So now we're going to have a kitty cat on there. All right. So this is actually going to be, let's see, the frames. Okay. So over here are the frames. This is actually going to be the different parts of your video. So when your video is playing, right? So now I have Demetrius' video, right?
Video marketing.
This is video, and we can, anytime there's a stopping point, let's say that there's a stopping point where right here, let's say right here, he starts showing off a blog post that he did where he started using the product, okay? I could easily, like, let's say that right now I didn't have a link to, what's it called? Let's say I didn't have any kind of link or anything like that, but then right here at 46 seconds, we kicked in with a frame. So we're going to put here, out. All right, so let's go ahead and just put that. Go ahead and put that. And the thing is, guys, you can actually add HTML here. So if you had a banner or something like that, you could add a banner instead. So that's what's really cool. So let's say that you did actually have a banner. You could actually go here and put that in there. So I'm just going to use this as an example, guys. But here's a couple of banners. If I wanted to add a banner here, I could just add it into the HTML code right here. And I'm just showing you as an example. You know what? I'll hyperlink this first. So I'll go to my affiliate link for VidEngagr, which is right here. All right. So then we'll come back over here. We'll hyperlink it, and we'll put VidEngagr, and then we'll have it open in a new window. All right. And let's say we even want to center that. Let's say we make it a heading 1. You could even do that. You can have it be different colors. You know. So it's a WYSIWYG editor. Oops, did the wrong thing. So let's just do this instead. Let's say that we made it. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing here. All right, so let's undo that. Okay, because I did that wrong. All right, so let's try this one more time. Let's say I wanted to just make this red. All right, and just think about it, guys. You could actually do quite a bit more. It looks like I can't make it red for some reason. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I just have to click on that. Check out VidEngagr. All right, so you can either have that. Let's say that you wanted to make a banner, you had a banner to add, and people can watch the video, and then they can go in here and just check out the banner instead. You know what? Let's go get the banner real quick. This is actually another product called Covert Commissions, which is kind of like an automated thing. So let's say that you wanted to make a big old banner here, and this is for like Commission Gorilla. All right, so let's use this banner. This one looks kind of cool. You could actually come back over here and put it into the source code, which is where you're going to put any kind of coding. You can center it. And now you're going to have this come up at a certain time. Now, we have to actually add in when we want it to come up. So we want it to come in at, let's see, Demetrius's video, start at 45 seconds. Let's just have it down there for like, let's say till the next frame, okay? So let's say that 45 seconds is where our first frame starts, okay? That's where we want this banner to come up, all right? Or affiliate link, whichever one you want. All right, so let's go back here into VidEngagr. Let's enter that and put 45 seconds. You know what? We could actually use minutes. Let's see. Let's do this. But the minutes is kind of a bar thing, so you can actually have it come in at 45. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see if I'm doing this right. Can I do this right? Maybe not. You know what? Let's use the seconds because it's kind of confusing me. All right, so let's say 45 seconds. Start time at 45 seconds. Let's say it ends at 60, just for the hell of it, okay? And now you're going to have a frame in there. So let's go ahead and preview it and see what that looks like, okay? Hopefully this works the first time I do it. All right, so now you're going to have the kitty cat right here. You got the cool looking player right here. And you can actually mess with this too. So VidEngagr review, want to get leads and make sales with other people's videos. Hit continue to see how. All right. And I might have used the wrong code, guys. Give me a second. I might be missing something. Hold on. Let me go back over here. Looks like I am doing this live, by the way. So let's go back over here to see. Am I doing something wrong? Did I put an extra space in here or something? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm not sure. Maybe I did do something wrong. Let's go check it out. Let's go ahead and double check. Looks like it's the same thing. I don't know. Hopefully I'm not messing this all up. Let's see. VidEngagr review. Now I might need to use a different video. What's wrong here? Let's see. All right, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Let's go ahead and reload Demetrius's video. Let's go to his channel. Let's go check out his video. VidEngagr, where are you at? VidEngagr videos. Can't have been that long ago. How to create 6 fun. He does a lot of videos. So let's see if he has VidEngagr sort by newest. Oh, I guess it's already there. Let's look for vid. Oh, there it is. I just couldn't see it, guys. All right, so it's kind of odd because I don't know why it's not letting me copy and paste. In a small village
in the southeastern part of Turkey. Learning.
All right, let's try this again. Let's see if I'm not messing something up or something like that. If not, we'll try a different video. No biggie, guys. Sometimes this stuff happens. Let's go back over here. Let's go over here. Maybe it's just being kind of silly. All right, so let's try it again. So let's not put autoplay. Let's try that. All right, so let's try a different video, guys. I don't know why it's being kind of silly here, but let's go ahead and do that. And let's go ahead and put VidEngagr review. Let's look for, I have another buddy here. This is my buddy, Sharice, the Afro Punk. And we're going to try her video out. Let's see what happens.
Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Sharice, the Afro Punk entrepreneur,
Sharice
coming
is a good
at you
person.
with
I like
another.
her. It's good, starting up in the IM space, and she's a good person. Let me go over here and enter this video ID instead, and hopefully this works, because if not, then it makes me look kind of silly. All right, so let's go ahead and go to preview. Let's see if this works. If it does, great. If it doesn't, I'm not sure what I did wrong. so I might just need to do something else. Okay, so I might be doing something else wrong. Let's see if the YouTube video ID. Let's try putting the whole video ID. I'm not sure. It was just working earlier today. This is a funny thing. You know what, guys? Let me use a different video. I actually had this video, which was for Aweber, and you know what? Here's a JV walkthrough video. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Okay, so this one is actually a video that is actually a demo of this product. So let's go ahead and see if we can preview that or not. I hope so. If not, then this video's kind of silly. All right, so it's working.
Okay, so here we
All right, so see, you can see it's in there now. It's working like that. So let's go ahead and just use this one as
are
an example.
inside the VidEngagr dashboard. You can
So that's actually what the video is gonna look like. It might be something that I'm missing right this second, guys, just because I'm live. But I promise it does work. I'm just kind of not seeing it. So let's go ahead and publish it and see what that looks like. Let's go ahead and go in here. And what happens is it spits out an iframe, okay? But let's go in here and edit it a little bit more. Let's go look at this banner that I put in here in the frame. We can put a couple more frames in here. All right, so let's see. I don't know if I put. Okay, so here you can see the frames you put in. You can actually put in a frame, another frame, which will be, let's say, frame number 2. Frame 2. Let's say this one's just going to be the link. The first one was the banner. The second one's going to be my link. So let's go ahead and put a link to VidEngagr. Let's say, in fact, you know what we could do is you can actually enter different kinds of media. So let's go ahead and look at some media. Let's look for another picture. Let's look for some money. All right. We're going to use that as the media for this, just for the hell of it. Go to images here. All right, so let's just use that. What the hell? All right, so let's see if I can just copy the link address. I think I can. Let's go ahead and enter it here. Image, source. Let's see. VidEngagr. I keep saying VidEngagr, but it's not. Let's go ahead and put it in there. Oh, you know what? I think I'm doing this wrong. Let's try this again. Image. Insert image. Money. See if I can do this or not. I don't know if I'm doing this right or not. You know what? I'm probably being silly about this. Let's go ahead and see if I can just download it and put it in here. Save image as, blah, blah, blah. See if it's on our desktop. Let's go back over here, see if we can get it. Let's see. Can I insert an image? Media, embed, advance. I haven't done too much on this part, as you can see, guys. So let's go ahead and see if I can figure this out. I haven't done this. So, you know what, guys? Let's not do this just because I can't figure it out right this second. I'm probably just missing it myself. You know, guys, I just haven't done it. This is the first time I do. Last time I just did links and the banners, which is kind of what I do. I don't really know all that much coding or anything like that. So let's say I just wanted to put the link. We're just going to put it here as the second frame. The first one started at 45 seconds and ended at a minute. So let's go ahead and end this. Let's start this one at, let's say we start at 1 minute and 5 seconds or so. Let's start it right there. And then it's going to be for till 2:23. Let's put that in there, and we'll see what it all looks like at the end, guys, okay? This bothers me for some reason. But let's go ahead and put the link. All right. So let's put hyperlink that. Okay. VidEngagr. All right, new window. Let's go ahead and put that there, bolden it up, put it in the middle, make it big, make it a big red color too. No, we don't have to do that. Let's just do that. Okay, so let's see how that comes out. All right, guys, so now that's there. Let's insert that frame. The next frame, let's say we're gonna make it, let's see, what else can we put in here? Let's put another banner. Why the heck not, you know? We can put a bigger banner. Let's see if we can find another one. Here's another one. And we'll make this frame 3. So now we have 2 frames. Let's go ahead and put frame 3. The last one ended on 2:23. So let's go ahead and make a new one that starts at 2:23, 2:25 or something like that. Say at 2:40. And then we'll put it for 3:38, 3:30 or something like that. I don't know, whatever. That'll work. Let's go ahead and put the code for that one. Now we got another banner, and as you can see, there it is. Okay, all right, so let's see what this all looks like, guys, just to go ahead and put this in. Oh, I missed something here. Step title. Oh, I didn't put a title. So frame, I'm just gonna use frame 3. All right, guys. So this is not super hard, guys. I'm coming across stuff just because I'm live. You know, it's kind of like one of those things. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. You know what? Let's see what it all looks like together. We're gonna get this iframe. Now it's all. We'll hit publish. You know. Now we have 3 frames that we can use. It does they spelled campaign wrong there, but whatever. So let's go ahead and generate the HTML, which is going to be an iframe code. And grab this. Go back here to your site. All right, we're going to go to text. All right, we're going to enter this into text. Let's see what that looks like. You know what? Let's go update it, and then we'll take a look. It looks better when you actually just go to the page. It looks kind of funky here on the back end. It's just the way it is, guys. So let's go ahead and open this in a new tab. Take a look at this. Got like a million tabs open. So VidEngagr review. Hopefully this all works all right. All right, guys. And you know what? You can actually mess with the video size, guys. In fact, I want to get rid of this opt-in down here. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. I got all kinds of stuff here. Let's see. I got Thrive Content Builder, so I got all kinds of stuff. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. Blah, 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 blah. All right. So let's go ahead and update that. Let's go right here. And one more thing, guys, you can actually mess with the player here. So when you go to VidEngagr, we'll go back over here. We'll edit it. I want to make the video bigger. Now, I will tell you, this is one of the cons, guys, is that when you mess with the player settings, and I don't really know all that much about this yet, you can actually make different buttons. So let's say I wanted to make a different button there. Let's say I wanted to make a purple one just for the heck of it. All right. It's kind of cool. You can pick different colors and whatnot. You can, right now it's on 560 by 315. You can actually just go here and pick the biggest one. And you can make the frame colors bigger. All right. So frame background color, let's make it like, make it purplish. Why the heck not? Since I use purple. Or let's see what that looks like. Let's go ahead and spit out the code. And you'll see when the frames come up, it'll have like a purplish background. Okay. So let's go ahead. You know what? You don't have to generate the HTML again. It's the same. Oh, wait. It might be different, actually. So you actually would have to copy it. You can just hit that. Come back here. And let's go back to our code here. And you see you would want to change it because it's different size here. So okay, let's update that. Take another look over here. We'll reload it. And then all this other crap will be gone. It's still updating. And guys, you know, this might be a longer video, but I'm just showing y'all warts and all what this looks like. It's not perfect. It's not perfect the first time you try something out, right? I've done it a couple times, but it looks good. You know, it's a good looking video. This is what you can include in a blog post. Think about how interactive this will be. You'll see. Watch. All right, so.
Okay.
Let's see when our first frame kicks in. Okay, so let's go to our frames over here. Let's go to edit. You can even see some stats, but I will say that the stats are kind of skewed because even when you preview them, you can see that they count as a view. All right, so our first frame is coming in. If we go down here, first frame is coming in at 45 seconds and then at a minute. Okay, so let's go over here and just fast forward to 45 seconds.
Okay, so here we are inside the VidEngagr dashboard. You can see how it's laid out.
And you see what's happening here? I should have put another frame here because now it just says click here, hit continue to see how. So it's just a boneheaded thing by me because then it won't say, it would be incongruent. It's a little incongruent, right? I could put something in here. I could already put an affiliate link, right? Instead, I put it way over here in 45 seconds in, right? So let's go ahead and
actually put in there multiple options for your viewers to see. So take a look at this video. This is the top 7 must-have WordPress plugins.
See that? Now we got a banner that came in, okay? And this is just the tip of the iceberg, guys. This is just something that can happen. One thing I will say is that, well, that looks pretty good. And let's see if that banner actually goes somewhere. All right, now that banner goes to the squeeze page. That squeeze page is kind of crappy, I'll be honest. I don't really like that one. I'm just using that one as an example. But it does work. That's the important thing, okay? So we'll hit continue. And like I said, I should change this first frame. Okay, so here we are. Now let's see where the next frame leads us. Frame 2 is actually going to be 104 to 224. All right, so let's go to 104 around there. All right, so let's hit play. And then we see the other, you see how you have steps, frame 1 of 3 up. Now you have frame 2 coming up. All right, give it a second. Computer's being a little slow right now.
Video. This is the top 7.
Okay, by the way, guys, that's another thing that happens. You can actually have it when the frames are done. So let's say at 1 minute or whatever, you'll see that this comes up. It'll let you replay the video or.
So what we're doing is we're monetizing these types of videos with high.
See what I mean? Okay, so that's kind of cool, guys. Pretty engaging, right? They can either go down here and mess with this, replay the video, or they'll go to the next thing. That's why I think this will work well with like product reviews. Like if you have X versus X versus X, or maybe the top 10 MacBook or whatever laptops you can use or whatever for college or something like that.
So you can take.
So the next one was at what did we say it was? Okay, so it was at 104 to 224. So let's go to one. Oh, it's about
to put multiple products inside a single campaign.
So here's number 2. It just has my link, and that goes to VidEngagr, guys. And remember, if you're going to go get this yourself, you're going to see a little coupon code come up. I have a $10 discount code for anybody that buys this through me. Look like you're going to go to this page, pick up VidEngagr. There is an upsell, and I'll tell you about the upsells here in a second, but let's go ahead and see what this looks like. To put in the coupon code, you just copy and paste it, go to the buy button way down here. There might be another one that I missed. And you just enter this right here, right? And then you'll get $10 off, should be about 27 bucks. So $26.97 instead of $36.97, okay? So, all right, guys, and then let's go to step 3, and then I'll show y'all.
Doesn't matter if it's different products or OTOs.
So let's go ahead and see what the last step is. It's at 204 and 327. So let's go to 204. 204.
Here's where you can see the description of the product, and here's where you would have your own link added. Grab it here now. So there's your call to action. I
might have missed. Maybe that one didn't work. I don't know. So frame 3 is at 204 to 327. I'm not sure what I put in that one. It should be coming up here soon. Hold on.
Yoast WordPress, see the description of the product, and here's where you would have your own link added. Grab it here now. So there's your call to action.
Okay, I'm not sure where I messed up there, but like it didn't do it right away. So let's go ahead and
go to frame 3. It is totally customizable, and I want to show you the campaign.
And you can see that the last banner came in, okay? And it does work. It does go to the squeeze page, and it, you know, like I said, this squeeze page needs to be fixed, but either way, it does work, and I might have done something wrong there. Okay, so just letting y'all know, guys, this can make your videos very, very much more interactive. You can have a lot better looking video. You can add your own affiliate links. You can have people come back to wherever you want, pretty much, as long as it's something that lets you use an iframe. Now, those of you that use something called Chrome code, you can actually create your own Chrome extension and add an iframe to it. You know, so that's something else to consider. I would actually put that information on the site and then put it on your Chrome code extension if that's what you're using. If you don't know what I'm talking about, disregard that. So that's it, guys. Let me tell you about, and I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Let's go back here. Here's a little manual you get with it. So let me go back here to okay, here. I'm going to stop sharing my screen, guys. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Okay. So, guys, I really like this product. I think it's very cool. I'm doing a lot more YouTube nowadays, and I think it's just something that's going to help out because you can have people on your site, or it doesn't matter if it's Builder or ClickFunnels, WordPress, or whatever you're using. You can have people on your site, and you can have them interact with your videos a little bit more. So let me show you. I'm going to tell y'all what the price. The price is about 27 bucks with the $10 off coupon code. Now, if you go, if you want to get into the upsells, I'm going to show you that the upsells are. Let me look them up for you real quick. I got the page pulled up right here. All right, I thought I did. Okay, so the upsells is going to be $37 for VidEngagr Pro. So what that does is that lets you that gives you developer rights first of all, and then you get 3 additional features, which are going to be you're going to get a time-defined element. So it's going to be under the video. You're going to get a time-defined thing where you can what's it called? Is it under the video? I forgot. It basically is a time-defined element. You're just going to see that, guys. It's going to be 37 bucks. So basically, it's going to be a little bit more interactive, right? You're going to get HTML or banners, image banners that you can use inside the videos, and just a little more customization when it comes to the player. Because I don't think everybody has the same things I had on the front end. Okay, I think you get more of a cookie cutter kind of thing. All right, so just a little extra stuff, guys. And if you want to use this to you know, for your client site or whatever, then that's what the developer rights is for. Now, the last OTO or last upsell is going to be you can add 100 users. It's going to be agency rights. So it's 100 users for $67, and it's going to be $97 for 250 users. So basically, that means that you can sell this product as your own. It's ready to go, and you just go out there and sell it. That's it, guys. So if you think you can sell this, or you know, instead of just you know, having developer rights, you can actually sell this to people that to anybody. You know, pretty much anybody, and you'll have either 100 or 250 licenses, in other words, okay? So that's pretty much it, guys. The last thing I'll say is the pros and cons. Now, my pros are this, okay? I think it's really cool because you can make your videos a lot more interactive. It's not WordPress, it's cloud-based, so you can actually use it with a lot of different things, right? It makes it pretty versatile. I will say that you can use it for comparison reviews, which is great, because you may be a review for different things. Maybe you're using some kind of page builder and you want to compare it to another one, and you're an affiliate for both. That's pretty cool. Maybe you're comparing one MLM company to another and you're an affiliate for both, right? Or maybe it's a network marketing, whatever kind of thing, right? what's it called? Another thing is that you can add an opt-in, guys. I didn't even include this, guys. You can actually add a buy button. And in fact, let me show you this, guys, because I actually did do this. You can add an opt-in form under your video, guys. If you think about how powerful that is, that's crazy powerful, right? So let's say that you wanted to add an opt-in form right under your video. You can have like a very informative video, and then you have an opt-in form right underneath it. Say, hey, you want to pick up 10 templates that you can use for this video right here, or hey, you want to see this free training on how to blah 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 blah, right? You can do. I'm not going to show you, guys. I'm just going to tell you. And then you can also, right? I actually created a PayPal button, and you can actually put just a PayPal button and be like, hey, you want to get started with a $1 trial, and you know, get started with this, and then you can have people on a recurring monthly thing. Think about the power there, guys. You can be like, hey, you know, I'm making this free training for people every month. All you have to do is sign up for $1 now. You get a 30-day free trial. I mean, how hard is that for people to do, right? That's even, to me, that's even better than an email address, because people are paying to be your lead. All right, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, guys, that's just some things to consider. I hope you've enjoyed my VidEngagr review. I really think it's an awesome product. It's not perfect, I will say that. It has a couple things that it could be better on, but I really think that with the front end and some of the upgrades, that you can really do some damage out there. All right. Thank you so much for watching my review, guys. I hope you have an excellent night. Let me know what y'all, or day, night, afternoon, wherever you are. Let me know what you think in the comments. You know, if there's other things you want to see, just let me know what you think about this product. Let me know how you're going to use it. All right. Let me know how you're going to use it, whether you're going to sell it on your own, if you get agency rights or developer rights, or if you're going to use it on your own YouTube videos, or just monetize other people's videos, whether they be on YouTube, Vimeo, or your own videos. Let's say you have PLR rights. You know, you have a ton of PLR right now, probably. If you know what I'm talking about, you know this is talking to you, and you can use that stuff for this right here, right? You can start using you know, tutorial videos from PLR, and then just have a link to the upgrade, because a lot of PLR sites are set up like that, where they have like the lower version, which would be either a free version, or like a $7 version, and they have an upgrade that's either like $7 or it's $27, $37, right? So that's something you can consider, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate y'all being here, and thanks for watching my VidEngagr review. Have a great night. All right, if I could end this, would be great.